In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Unable to Connect to World Minecraft Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase simple steps that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to you being unable to connect to a world on the Nintendo Switch. Usually, this happens because your account is not set up properly, meaning the connection established with your Microsoft account, or you have an outdated version of the game. So to start, the first thing that I would recommend is that you go back to the title screen of the game and you look at the bottom left. If you have the option to sign in with a Microsoft account, select it, and this pop-up will appear, telling you that you have to go to a specific website through a web browser and input the code displayed there. Now, assuming that you don't have the account already connected, open a web browser and you will go to this page where you can input the code displayed on screen here. Once you have the code displayed, tap Next and the console should be detected. You will then be able to sign in with a usual Microsoft account to have it connected to your Nintendo Switch. It's very important that you do this. Once the link has been established, then you will be able to join any cross-platform worlds and play together with your friends. Now, if you already had the connection established or you are done establishing it now, then you should be good to go. The next thing to check is to go over to Settings, select the account category and double check here. Afterwards, go over to General and check if cross-platform play is enabled if you are going to be playing with someone who is not on Nintendo Switch. With all of this out of the way, just go over to Play and you can try to join your friends again. If it doesn't work, make sure that you add them through this window first and you will be able to look for their gamer tag here, which means their Microsoft account name, send them a friend request and they will be able to accept or send one back. Afterwards, like I said, just go over to any world and join them. Something else that you can check is to go over to this little pencil icon, go over to multiplayer and make sure that you have multiplayer game enabled. If this is turned off, others will not be able to join you. So by enabling this option, multiplayer game, and making sure that the account settings is set to friends only or friends of friends, you will be good to go to play together. If it is set to invite only, you will only be able to join your friends and be able to connect to their worlds if they send you an invite. So friends only is more convenient. I hope I was able to help you how to fix you cannot connect to World on Minecraft Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.